Georgey Travels Space by Kelly Conahan. Georgey was a young boy who loved to read. Every night before Georgey went to bed, he read a book. Tonight, Georgey decides to read a book about space. "Wow!" Georgey said. "Look at all those planets and stars. I wish I could go visit them. And wow! Look at that awesome rocket ship." After Georgey read about all the different planets, he started to get sleepy. But before he went to bed, something outside caught his eye. "A shooting star!" Georgey yelled. So Georgey wished for the one thing he wanted the most, and then he went to bed with his dog Max. What seemed like moments later, Georgey woke up to what he thought was an earthquake, he yelled. But it was not an earthquake. Georgey and Max woke up in a rocket ship. Georgey was very confused. Then he saw what he believed to be a star. "Who are you?" Georgey asked. "I am your shooting star that you wished upon," said the star. "And I'm here granting you your wish. I am taking you to space." Georgey could not believe his ears. He could not believe that he was going to space, let alone that he was talking to a shooting star. As Georgey looked outside his window, he saw that he's already left planet Earth and that he is now in space. "Get ready," said Star. "Where are we going?" asked Georgey. "I'm going to take you to every planet," replied Star. Georgey and Max got on their astronaut suits and headed outside into space. "First stop, Mercury," said Star. "Oh, I remember reading about Mercury. It is the closest planet to the sun," said Georgey. "It also has the largest crater in the solar system, which is named Beethoven." "I know the next one," said Georgey. "It is Venus. I can tell because it is so bright. It is known as the evening or morning star. It is also the second planet closest to the sun." "There's no need to go to the third planet," said Star, "because you live there, Earth." "Next stop, Mars," said Star. "Oh, I remember reading about Mars. It is the fourth closest planet to the sun," said Georgey. "It also has the largest canyon in the solar system, and it is made up of mostly carbon dioxide." Star continued to show Georgey and Max around space. "Here is the planet Jupiter," explained Star. "It is the largest planet. It consists of 39 moons, and the powerful winds created huge hurricanes on the planet." "I know this one because of the rings around it," exclaimed Georgey. "It is Saturn. This ring was first discovered by Galileo in 1610. "Brr, this planet is cold," said Georgey. "That's because of all the ice on the planet, Uranus," said Star. "It also has rings like Saturn, but you cannot see it because it is very faint." "This next planet has a dark oval on it called the Great Dark Spot. Do you know which planet this is?" asked Star. "Yep, it is Neptune. That spot is a symbol of a storm Neptune once had," said Georgey. "Last but not least is Pluto, the furthest planet from the sun. Not only is it the furthest away, but it's also the smallest planet," Star explained. "Well, Georgey and Max, I think it's time for me to bring you guys home. Let's get back into the rocket ship," Star said. After a long night in space, Georgey closes his eyes and falls asleep on their ride home. The next morning, Georgey wakes up in his own bed. "Where is Star?" he asked Max. Georgey hopped out of his bed, ran to his window, and looked up into the sky, wondering, was it all just a dream? The end.